You want to automate your business, but you're stuck on the biggest question in the no-code world. Should you choose Zapier or Make.com? One is famous for simplicity, the other for power. Today, we're settling the debate. Choosing the wrong tool can cost you hundreds of dollars in unnecessary fees or dozens of hours in technical frustration. We're going to look at ease of use, features, and the math behind the pricing. I've used both platforms to build thousands of automations. I'll show you exactly where each platform shines and which one is the better investment for your specific workflow. Let's start with Zapier. It's known for its linear approach. It's essentially a giant if this, then that machine. It's incredibly easy to set up your first Zap in minutes. Make, on the other hand, gives you a visual canvas. Instead of a list, you see a map. For beginners, this makes it much easier to visualize how your data actually flows through your business. If you like simple lists, Zapier is great. But if you want to see your logic and build complex paths without getting lost, Make's Visual Builder is a massive advantage. When it comes to power, Make takes the lead. It allows for advanced filtering, complex routers, and data manipulation that would either be impossible or extremely expensive in Zapier. Make was built for scaling. You can build entire backend systems for your business using just this visual interface. It's a tool you won't outgrow as you get more experienced. Now let's talk about the biggest difference, the money. This is where most people make their decision, and for a good reason. The math is very different. Zapier charges you per task. Every time an action happens, you pay. If you have a high-volume workflow, those costs can skyrocket into hundreds of dollars a month very quickly. Make uses a credit system. It's significantly more transparent and generally much cheaper for beginners. Their free plan gives you 1,000 credits every single month to start. In almost every scenario, you get 10 to 20 times more automation for the same price on Make. For a growing business, that value is hard to ignore. What about connectivity? Zapier has been around longer and supports more niche apps. But Make has closed that gap fast, now supporting over 3,000 verified integrations. Unless you are using a very obscure, old software, Make will have exactly what you need to connect your stack. It's built for modern digital businesses. The verdict? Choose Zapier if you have a very large budget and you only need simple, one-step automations with zero interest in learning the technical side. But choose Make.com if you want better value for your money, more powerful workflows, and a visual interface that helps you grow. For 90% of beginners, Make is the smarter choice. Yes, there is a slightly steeper learning curve with Make, but it's a skill that pays for itself. Once you master the Visual Builder, you can automate virtually anything. My recommendation? Start with Make.com. Their free plan is the best way to learn without any financial risk. I've put a link in the description to get you started. Using that link supports this channel at no extra cost to you. The best way to decide? Just build one simple scenario today and see the difference for yourself. Do you have questions about your specific workflow? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.